Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to join Rivals Discord server. If this helps you out, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just go on just open your browser and go on this website, Rollymon's Roblox trading website. And now go on the search bar, select games, and type the name over here, Rivals. Click on this game, this one. Just click on play on Roblox. Scroll down. Under social links, you will see this Discord icon. Just click on it. And as you can see, I've been invited to join the server. Just click on accept as and you will join the server. Now, if you can't join the server through this direct link, just copy this link. Go again on Discord. Go on the left side, click on add a server. Click on join a server and paste the link over here and just click on join server. And that's it. You're good to go. That's how you can join Rivals Discord server. Thanks for watching.